Every morning, I baked sourdough baguette. I bake it to eat fresh bread, but also I just enjoyed growing the microbes in sourdough. Microbes in sourdough is a mixture of lactic bacteria and yeast. We're gonna watch the microbes living inside sourdough using microscope. The red arrow is flour clumps. The flour consists of gluten, and the gluten traps the carbon dioxide inside the dough, and this makes the bread leaven and fluffy. This red arrow is yeast. They eat nutrients in the flour and produce the carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide production is very important to leave the bread, and yeast gives specific flavor in bread. The all tiny dots are bacteria. They produce organic acid, and that creates the sour taste in sourdough. Most importantly, they decrease the pH of dough, and the pathogenic bacteria such as the Clostridium botulinum is hard to survive under low pH conditions. As long as you keep your sourdough fresh, the healthy microbes suppress the growth of bad bacteria.